What up? Hey, hope y'all having a nice, I hope y'all had a nice Christmas. Today is the 26th, headed to work right now. And around the corner is the new year. So with that, I'm deciding to make this video because somebody asked me about fitness. So, you know, the new year come, everybody want to try to change up the way they eating and living and stuff like that. So I had a subscriber ask me, what do I got to do to be swole? Now, granted, everybody not gonna have the same goal. Everybody goal ain't to walk around looking muscular and stuff like that, and that's fine. Some people just want to be on a weight loss thing. So to get back to that question, how do I get swole? Well, first things first, you need to be able to work out consistently. Even if you're not able to get a gym membership, I would say still find a place to be able to do at least body weighted exercises. Go out and get you some resistance bands. Maybe find you some dumbbells if you can. But just make sure you're able to do some type of physical training. Like I said, whether it be body weight or you have a gym membership. Everybody can't afford a gym membership, but you always can do body weighted exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, dips. You can also do tricep workouts as well using body weight. So YouTube has a library full of body weighted workout videos for like that you can do at home. So you just gotta search it. And after you figure out your place of where you're gonna be working out, the main thing you have to do, I don't care how many weights you lift or how often you lift. If you wanna get swole, you wanna put on some nice muscle, my dude, you gotta eat. And I'm talking about you have to increase your calories. There's a few ways to bulk up. You could do a clean bulk. Clean bulking is when you eating clean foods like chicken, lean beef, lean turkey, and stuff like that. Stay away from that fried stuff. But you want to eat as lean as you can when it comes to the meats. Of course, you need your carbs, your carbohydrates, your complex carbohydrates, such as brown rice, sweet potatoes, what else? Quinoa, stuff like that. Those type of grains. You want to try to stay away from white rices, white potatoes, and stuff like that. Anything that'll turn into a simple sugar. I know a lot of these terms that I'm using y'all might not be familiar with. Again, Google it. There's information at our fingertips at all times. So if you're not catching on to what I'm saying, then rewind this video, write it down, write the stuff down that I'm saying, and Google it if you have any questions. And that's a way to clean bulk. Now, if you want a dirty bulking is like eating whatever at all times of days and nights. And you can put on weight fast, but trust me, bro, it's gonna be more fat than anything. So I would only suggest dirty bulking to somebody who's used to this weight gaining thing. I would suggest dirty bulking to somebody who's new to this and trying to get big, because that can backfire like a mofo. And what you don't want to do is put on fat, especially if you're not educated on how to remove that fat once you pack all that fat on. Dirty bulking would be like eating fried chicken and shit, Italian beefs, what else? All the stuff that tastes good that ain't really good for you, and eating excessive amounts of it. That's what you don't want to do. So in my personal opinion, you're trying to get swole, I would suggest clean bulking, increasing your calories, eating clean foods. That's what I suggest. And before you start all that, those are just the main things that you need to do. But before you start all that, I would suggest figuring out what your current calorie intake is to maintain your current weight. You don't know, if you don't know where you're starting from, it's gonna be hard to get to where you're trying to go, if that makes any sense. There are many calorie counting calculators out here, many apps that you can use. Me personally, I use one called MyFitnessPal, and you put in your goal, you put in your age, your current weight, physical activity, like how active you are during a 7-day period, and it'll tell you, all right, this is how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. And then it also tell you, okay, your goal is to, once you put your goal in to gain weight, it'll be like, all right, you need this many calories to reach this weight. And it'll also break down the proteins you need, the amount of proteins. It's not gonna tell you exactly what to eat, but it'll tell you the amount of protein, the amount of carbohydrates, and the amount of fats. Yes, fats, you think fats may be bad for you, but they're not. It depends on what kind of fat we're talking about here. We're talking about fats such as omega-3s that come from fish, or fish oil pills, stuff of that nature, like walnuts, those kind of healthy fats. I'm not talking about fats you get from like butter and other shit like that will increase your cholesterol levels, which you don't need that, because your heart don't need that kind of drama. All right, what else? Yeah, back to that fitness app. It's called MyFitnessPal. You can get that from the Google Play, Apple Store, whatever type of device you use. That thing is free, and it's amazing. You can upgrade for a certain amount of dollars. It's not a lot, and it'll unlock a whole lot of other options you can use with that. So again, it's not really complicated. A lot of people try to make this complicated. A lot of people omit a lot of things, a lot of information you need to be able to gain weight. It's more than just lifting weights. The mogs in jail, yeah, they lifting weights every day, but they also eat. They not eating clean, because I don't think the jail system get two shits if you're eating clean or not. They just feeding you. But those guys taking in a lot of calories, and they lifting a lot of weight, so you're gonna get big. Same rules apply when you out on the streets, man. You gotta eat a lot, and you gotta lift. All right. I'll make another video on lifting properly and not wasting your time in the gym doing stuff wrong, because you could be in the gym lifting weights, but you could be lifting that shit totally wrong, man, and just basically wasting your time. And that's what you don't want to do. Just like when you brushing your hair, you don't want to be wild brushing, because you need to be hitting your angles the same. You need to be hitting your waves at the same angle every time. Same rules apply for weightlifting. You gotta keep strict form. You want to make sure that you working that muscle directly and hitting it effectively and right. Otherwise, you in the gym bullshitting, wasting time, and your progress gonna come slow. All right, so I hope that little tip helped you out. For that subscriber who asked how to get swole, I can get more into detail. I'm driving right now, so excuse the shaky camera, my bad. But I just wanted to get that video out. Hope y'all have a good New Year. I know I will. It was a great Christmas. The wife caught me a few pair of retro Jordans, and I'm all right with that. So I'm gonna let y'all get on with y'all day. I know most of y'all on school vacation or whatnot, but ask me anything that you want to know, and I'll try to make a video for it. If you don't take anything at all from this video, I need you to take this. You must increase your calories to grow. You must. If you want to get swole, you gotta eat. Eat as clean as possible. Eat as clean as possible, and you'll grow. As always, Swole's Wave on YouTube. Whether you like it or not, nigga.